All right, Joan, I had an idea.
Yes.
You know we were talking about new content for BGEV.
Yes.
I had an idea. What if you and I reviewed electric vehicles, showing two different views, right? You got my tech side, my geek side,
Right.
and your everyday, normal kind of questions.
I like that idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because
yeah,
we
no,
got a
I do.
Tesla.
I like it.
We got a Tesla right
Get
here.
a Tesla?
Yeah.
For me to drive.
Surprise.
Yay!
Let's go.
So we are test driving today a Tesla Model 3. What's the...
This is the single motor standard range Tesla Model 3.
Don't know what that means, but I'll let you know soon.
Joan has never been in an EV. She's never driven an EV. This is her first experience with an EV. So we now get to enjoy this. But the more
So
fun
excited.
portion. Joan, what's this?
A credit card?
Joan, what's this?
A credit card? Excuse me a second. It doesn't, oh, it's a diagram.
Correct. What does a diagram look like?
This, I don't know. I'm assuming there's something on the door.
It's within this area.
Oh.
So, hold the card up somewhere there. Now it is locked.
Oh,
You hold it back again, it'll unlock. It'll beep twice.
I like the color, by the way. I like the white and
I
white.
specifically
so-
chose it for you, yes.
Thank you. Well, how do you put this on a keychain?
Well, they have two different versions. You have the Tesla app, which runs off of your phone. You can,
Yeah.
with the app, you can have it in your pocket, on your phone,
Okay.
in your purse, in your case. Anytime you go near the vehicle, it will automatically unlock it.
This is so
And
cool.
once you leave, it will
All right.
automatically relock it. So you want me to show you one trick? You're in the right
Am I in the
area.
right area?
You're in the right area.
Okay. All right.
Very proud of you. No.
No, see, I don't work like that.
How would you grab a regular door handle?
I would be using my right hand. Look, you know what? I'm going to do it my way.
Cool, do it. I think it's gorgeous, but if you have kids or pets,
Not anymore.
did you sell them both?
They're not coming in this car. Wow, these seats, like, it kind of like glows in here a little bit. Like, I feel like it's almost like a glow. Do you sense that?
It is
Whoa.
very
Okay.
minimalistic.
Like, I'd have to set my mirror, set my seat
Okay.
before I would drive, you know, because I'm a safety driver.
We are gonna do this
Oh, yeah.
because it's South Florida and
So far, it's hot.
a little sweaty. Now, I want you to think of this screen as a giant cell phone. Is the best way of putting it. So tapping, squishing, things like that. You can do anything basically with this.
Okay, so what about seats? Let me just do that first. That's on the side here. That's easy.
That's
like
normal. Yes.
That's normal. Oh,
So now,
okay. The little toggle.
correct. So if you look at that mirror, it's going to move up and down. So this is like a little rolling wheel. So if you go up, it goes up. If you go down, it goes down.
I got that. All right, and what's this mirror auto tilt?
That's in reverse. So when you put it in reverse, this mirror will tilt down so you can see the curve. Steering wheel?
Okay, there's nothing on the side
There
here.
is not.
Okay, so steering wheel
There you go.
touching.
There's
Yep,
the left
toggle.
steering wheel toggle. See?
So once you put toggle on there, it toggles this
Correct.
way. I see. I like that.
So you can go up and down.
Okay.
It's only on the left toggle. So you can go up and down and in and out.
Only left. Oh, that's really cool.
Next menu is driving. And this is where the fun stuff. This is the stuff that I enjoy because we get to have fun with this. So 0 to 60, just to give
I
you a
drive
number.
the speed limit, just so you know.
You'll
I'm
end
gonna
up doing
go
like 0 to
stand-
28.
I'm gonna go on standard.
0 to 60 in this one
I'm not going ludicrous.
is about 5.5 seconds. If it's the long range dual motor, remember we talked about this one is only single
Yeah, I
motor.
don't want to talk about the motor.
That one is roughly 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60.
Okay. Take your word for
Which
it.
is quite fast. Steering mode, there's 3 different ones. You have comfort, standard, or sport, whatever your preference is. And you'll feel that one when we get on the road. We'll change it up so you can see that.
Okay.
Stopping mode, you can either do creep, which basically means slowly move when pedals are released. So just like in your car, when you take your foot off the brake, the car will slowly creep forward.
Yes.
You can set this vehicle to if you want it to do that or not.
Okay,
And
let's go creep.
You can go hold.
No, let's.
I like hold. You'll see why.
Well, I want to do creep.
We can do creep too.
Let's do creep.
Cool.
Okay, because it's more used to what norm. I mean, you don't want me to like run into something.
No. Charging.
Okay.
Now we can open charge
Wait, so
port
is
here
that
too.
how much you have to pay to have it charged?
Correct.
Oh.
So, for example, the last time this vehicle was charged was in Miami Beach, Sunday, July 17th, and it cost the person $11.56 to charge this vehicle.
Okay.
Now, at a supercharging station, it's anywhere from a half hour to 35 minutes, possibly 40, depending on how the supercharger takes care of this vehicle, if you will.
Now, does that means to open it? It doesn't mean it is open.
Correct.
Okay.
So, if you want to open it, tap that one.
Okay.
Entertainment. Now, this is what I was saying about the gimmicky stuff. They put much of this in here for people or when you're charging your vehicle to help pass the time. See?
When do I run like this?
And I mean, you can,
Wow.
I mean, obviously, I'm not nearly as good at it. I can play this game in eons.
That's funny.
But it's meant
Okay.
to help pass the time. We go to the same menu. We go to Toy Box. Are you ready, Joan?
Yes.
Take this.
What the hell?
You can also do a couple of things. You can do it. You can change the position of where said fart is.
Excuse me.
Angelo!
Wait, are you doing this when you're
Hold on.
driving?
Yes. You can, I don't know if you heard it because we have the... Here, let's turn this down for a second so that people can hear it as well.
What is the point of this?
Absolutely nothing. It's a gimmick. There you go. And you can turn it up or turn it down. Oh! Now listen, ready?
Oh my god.
If you go outside, it's playing outside of the
surround
vehicle.
sound outside.
Correct.
That's hysterical.
You can also do what's called fart on demand.
So if somebody sits in that seat.
You use your left scroll wheel,
Yeah.
tap it.
So you can just mess around with people that are in the car with you?
Yep.
That's hysterical.
Fart on turn signal.
Oh dear God.
So your left stalk
Seriously?
in the back.
That was a squirt. That was
That was a check the underwears. Driving
Hard to
sound.
say.
This is a new one that I learned this morning.
Okay. Preview.
Right?
Let's preview.
So, if you go outside, ice cream! Ice cream! So Autopilot will keep you in your lane when you're driving.
Okay.
It will give you warnings about what's around you, what to
Okay.
keep an eye on.
Yeah.
You don't have to do any input to the steering wheel.
Okay.
They suggest that you keep your hands around it just in case something does happen. For I'm sure liability reasons, Tesla.
Wow. I love the size of this screen. Like, it's perfect for the way I view things.
This is
Oh.
huge. I mean, it's like
What, is that like for a handbag?
a small child if you prefer to put your children there.
Wow. Okay.
2021 models, which this one is. This is a
that a
wireless.
charger?
It's a wireless charging pad.
Oh, that's cool.
So
So you don't have to worry about.
you shake your phone,
Uh-huh.
and right now it's charging.
Oh, that's cool.
So you just leave your phone there. Now, what do you think of the roof?
The roof is cool. It doesn't open though.
This one does not.
Okay, so it's just glass.
Correct.
It's sophisticated, it's sleek, it's modern. It's cool looking. Look at, I mean, it glows. It's cool. I actually like it better than I thought I was gonna like it.
You haven't even driven it yet, Joan.
I haven't driven it yet, but appearance-wise and the inside and the big screen, I actually like it.